So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to work further on the design. So now instead of displaying all the rows in the same color, I'm going to display the most important, or the currencies that have a high value in a different color. For example, Bitcoin is one of the most important currencies. The value of Bitcoin is very high. Therefore, we need to display it. We need to kind of display it in another color so that we give the user a message that this is an important currency and the value is very high. So we can use if statements, and I'm going to show you how powerful using if statements are in Flask. Here, instead of displaying the color as primary all the time, as blue all the time, we can here use if statement. We can here say curly braces and then percentages, and then we can say if, and then if the rate is greater than a specific value, for example, if the rate is greater than $10,000, we can copy this row, and then we can paste it, and then we can change the color. So the color can be danger. Here, instead of saying primary, we can say danger. Table danger. This table danger is going to display the cell or the row itself, the complete row, in a red background, which gives the user a hint that this currency is important, or something important with it that you need to watch out for. You need to watch out for this currency. And here we need to say else. Else here curly braces and then percentages, and then else if the currency is smaller than $1,000, then we just want to display it in a blue color, a normal color. And then finally here we need here to say curly braces and then percentages, and then end if. This is very important. Whenever you have a block, you need to say end if, and then end for. And for the sake of keeping our code organized, I'm going to push this. And now, as you can see, the code is very organized. Now, if I save and refresh, guess what? Let me refresh and show you the difference now. The difference is that now every currency that has a value greater than $1,000, then it's going to be displayed in a red background color. As you can see, if the value is greater than $1,000, it's going to be displayed in a red background color. If it's not, then it's going to be displayed in a normal blue color, which is awesome. That way, you will be able to just kind of pull out the most important currencies without doing any programming. You just scroll and you'll see each row that has a red color. It just means that it's an important currency, or it has a very high value. So this is how it works. And you can change here the value from 1,000 to any value you want. Maybe we want to display the currencies that are greater than only instead of 1,000, greater than $10, maybe just $10. If the value is greater than $10, then you want to consider it as an important currency. If you do that and refresh, you'll find that now a lot of currencies are displayed in a red background color because they have a value greater than $10. And the currencies that are less than $10, they just mean that they aren't important. So this is how it works, and this is how you can use if statement to display the important currencies.